What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be installing this blue wide door mirrors. These are for the side mirrors. I got these because I do have the ITR power folding mirrors, and it's not giving me enough vision since I have a left-hand drive RSX, and I think this will give me a better vision when looking on the sides. So yeah, let's start on it. According to the instruction, you're just gonna put the double-sided tape on the back and yeah, just stick it in. However, I've watched some videos on YouTube that this is the stock one, that they are removing this adhesive here and just replacing and put the adhesive in there. So it's asking that to remove this, not just put it here. Here we go. We got some double-sided tape, the left one, instruction, and the box. Alright, so I'll try to probably heat this up and remove it. Alright. I was just wondering if it's fitted on top of the mirror, what it will look like. See, there's like a gap here. There we go. Yeah, there's like a small gap. But let's give it a try. Let's remove the OEM glass. Alright guys, so we just finished removing one side and destroyed the other one, because it's just so hard to remove the mirror from this sides. There's no adhesive on it, but the fitment is super tight. Yeah. Got some acetone here to clean the plastic up before we put the double-sided tape. Yeah. I got some extra 3M double-sided tape as well, just in case. So test fitting should look like this. Damn, looks so good. So it's finished. I had to put some extra adhesive because it's not really mounting good, because there are some uneven spots in here. Yeah, you can see that. Alright, let's go ahead and mount this. See how it looks. You can notice that this one has a yellow spoon and this one has the blue one. Awesome. So originally there's a big double-sided tape on the stock one. I just had to put two of these so that it has some contact here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these two clips first and then mount these two. So in. Alright, totally mounted. As you can see on these two. One clip and one clip. A lot better.